data is there in the public domain. The data, what happened in 2030, in the Supreme Court had given this direction that you put up these sensors and all these things are connected to the Chennai Care Center. All my stacks are connected there. Now that data is there with TNPC, we can ask them. They will give the data, because if I exceed, they will immediately shut me down. So what I do is, to prevent that from happening, in my DCS that we have, which controls my entire plant, I kind of have the monitoring of the data of the SO2 going out. The moment there is an increasing trend, suppose I'm at 30, 35, let us say, I'm just giving a number, and it goes up to 50, 60, it starts going up, I'm careful. So I alert my system, what's happening? Is the feed going up? Is there more sulfur in the system? Is something not working properly? So I start checking. I don't let it go to the level where I get penalized or I get questioned by the PCB. So these are the things I've built in after 2030. From 2030, I can confidently say that my SO2 emissions from my stack has never gone up. Because if it would have, the TNPCB would have sent me a notice, they sent me a explanation letter, whatever, to tell you that, look, we have crossed the data today or tomorrow, yesterday, and please explain why. The show cause notice would have come to me. Nothing has come. And again, I'm telling you, this is not my data, this is TNPCB data. They have put the brand of the sensors, they have put. They have access to that, I don't have access to that. So it's genuine data we're talking about. We're not talking about the doctor data. So prior to that, you could have said that you are doctoring the data, you are giving the data in the domain, which is, you will obviously put the right data. But it's gone out of my hand from 2013 onwards. The vehicle traffic in that region has come down. Why it has come down? 2 power plants near my plant has come down, has stopped. It's about 10 kilometers away, Coastal Energy and Anthem. That's about 1000 megawatts. My power plant also is down. My plant is down. So all these vehicles, which are about, I was catering to about 1000 vehicles in the plant. Every day was coming inside my plant. There were another 2000 vehicles going to all these power plants, which has stopped today. So it has come down. Now it's not because of me alone. We upgraded a catalyst that actually converts SO2 to SO3. So all these things we have done. There are monitors at the exit of our stand, which is directly connected to Chennai Air Care Center. TNPC. They have a center where they have the connection to all the stacks in the state, all industries. So the live data, it's not doctor data, it's not that I am sending a data to them that this is my, it's a live data